Established in May 2003 at Mumbai, with its corporate office in Bangalore, Vati Consulting is India's premier RPO organization, serving some of India's leading corporates across industries. We have been widely acclaimed for our expertise in the recruitment domain. Vati has grown under the visionary leadership of its founder and current CEO, Amitabh Das.
Since 2003, Vati has been offering recruitment process outsourcing solutions to its clients in different industry segments. We offer committed hiring solutions, which in turn saves cost for them, saves their time, and adds on to their entire productivity in recruitment. We bring in the functional expertise, which is required to meet all the SLAs and the parameters which any recruitment function or an organization requires to achieve.
We operate through domain specialist teams spread across the country, providing high-quality, permanent, and temporary hiring solutions. In the past 7 years, we have helped shape the careers of over 10,000 candidates in some of the biggest corporates. We provide an extensive network of sourcing hubs located all over India. Our highly experienced team of recruiters specialize in sourcing the right candidates, assessing and screening them to provide the best match for our clients through optimum management of sources like agencies, campaigns, and employee referrals. Our robust technology platform brings about operational efficiency, resulting in quality hiring within stipulated timelines. This has resulted in improvement of management bandwidth. Our list of clients feature some of India's biggest companies.
In the last 1 year, Vati's growth has been phenomenal, and we have got into turnkey assignments wherein we have placed more than 2,000 people in the last 6 months. When we talk about turnkey assignments, we mean complete end-to-end hiring solutions within a stipulated time frame. Vati's strength has been the commitment to deliver, and that has led to tremendous relationship with our customers, which has helped us in sustaining in spite of the global meltdown that happened. We in Vati always believe that commitment is the main thing in the service industry, and that is what we want to build upon. After successful completion of 7 years of operations, we are now in the process of expanding our operations across India. The idea behind this is to provide a single transactional window to all our customers for ease of operations. Starting October this year, we intend to spread across entire South, covering 29 cities in the next 6 months. Phase 2 will see our footprint across the rest of the country, covering close to 100 cities in the next 2 years. This wide network will cater to the needs of our customers as well as the aspiring job seekers. With the extensive reach, we intend to become the largest recruitment company in India in the next 3 years.
At Vati, we understand the potential of human capital and help clients recruit the right people for their needs. We are staunch believers in the fact that a properly managed RPO will improve a company's time to hire, improve the quality of the candidate pool, provide verifiable metrics, and reduce costs.
Think hiring.
Think Vati.
Leave your recruitment process to us. Get the proven expertise to build your team. Together, let's build strong organizations with leading-edge human resources.
We partner.
We commit.
We deliver.